Hello guys, my friends. My name is Sanjay Srivastava, Sanjayologist. We can start for the NEET classes for biology for the NEET classes and foundation classes. So we can first do the demo classes and starting batches from the 1st August. You can contact for the conceptual process for biology. So we can first started very important topic genetics. Genetics is a very important topic for the NEET and foundation classes because this is a conceptual chapter. Concept is not clear, then you cannot define the chapter of a concept. A very important chapter. Concept genetics. To first define the definition of genetics. So what is the definition? Certain characters we can transfer from parents to offspring. These characters called as hereditary characters, and we can study under the topic of genetics. A very great scientist that is called as, for the NEET question for the NEET, father of genetics, that is called as Gregor John Mendel. And this term was given by very great scientist. That name is known as Bateson. Give the term genetics, and father of genetics is Gregor John Mendel. Very great scientist. So certain character which can transform parents to offspring. These characters called as genetic characters. We can study under the genetics, and this is very important. For this example, that human produce human, not for the other animals, because these characters are transferred from parents to the offspring. Very important terms for the genetics to define, because there are many terms you cannot define the topic of genetics. Some very important terms. The first important terms, that is the genotype. So what do you mean by genotype? Study of genetic constitution is known as genotype. For example, very simplified example, that is the red flower. So that is the gene for the red flower, RR, and the gene for the white flower, WW. So this study of genetic constitution is known as genotype. Second term is also very important, that is called as phenotype. So what do you mean by phenotype? We can study only the external appearance, not correlate with the genetical terms. So this study of only external appearance is known as phenotype, and study of genetic constitution is known as the genotype. The two very important terms. And now third, that is called as a monohybrid cross. Very important is also term that is called as monohybrid cross. When you cross for the one pair of contrasting character, this is called a monohybrid cross. When you are crossed with the two pair of contrasting character, so this is called as a dihybrid cross. Monohybrid cross with the one pair of contrasting character, and when crossed with the two pair of contrasting character, that is called as a dihybrid cross. Clear? Second, third concept, genome, very important. It is also very important term. Haploid set of chromosomes. This is called haploid set of chromosomes is called as a genome. Next, this is other terms, a very important, that is called as bicross. For this is the red flower when crossed with the white flower. In the F1 generation, we can obtain now this red flower. This is called a F1 hybrid. This is the red flower. This is the white flower. When you cross the F1 generation, only the red flower. So when F1, this is called a hybrid because one R and one is small r. So when that is capital or small r cross with, now this is the dominant parents, this is the recessive parents. When F1 hybrid cross with a dominant parents, this is called as the bicross. when F1 hybrid cross with only dominant parents, this is called as the back cross. F1 hybrid cross with any dominant parents or recessive parent, cross with any parents, either dominant, either recessive parents. This is called as the back cross. Second, that is called a test cross. When F1 hybrid cross with only recessive parents, this is called as the test cross. So you can difference back cross and test cross. F1 hybrid cross with dominant or recessive parents, this is called as the back cross. When F1 hybrid cross with only recessive parents, this is called as a test cross.